Okay, let's talk about using Prefolds with a cover. There's 4 layers in the middle, 2 layers on each side. You just fold it in thirds like this and pop it in a waterproof cover. Or if you want something that'll keep the poop in a little bit better, try an angel wing fold. Fold out each of the edges like this and it makes a little pocket in the middle. Just perfect. Put baby's bum right there. Squeeze it through the middle, pull it up through the legs, fold down the top rise if you need for the size of your baby. And voila, you've got these little angel wing tabs on either side. Pull those up like this. Then grab your snappy, which is this little thing here. It's a little silicone strip with teeth on each of the ends. Pop it over each hip like that, down through the middle. It'll hold everything in place, just like that. Then you're going to put your waterproof cover over top. This one is a Thirsty's Duo Wrap. It's got these fantastic double gussets here, 2 layers of elastic to keep all the messes in. Put it over top of your Prefold like this. You can also use a cover on top of a flat or a fitted or a contour, any other kind of absorbency. And snap it on baby like this. Now the only other thing you're going to do with the Prefold is make sure you don't have anything sticking out. So just have a peek around the legs like this and make sure that all your absorbency is stuffed in and that the elastics lie flush against the skin. Double check the back too. Make sure it's all tucked in all the way around, and there's your Prefold with a cover.